Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars, mgmclassiccars.com, Addison, Illinois. Check this beast out. 1972 Chevelle, powered by a 502 700R overdrive transmission. This thing is a beast. It's just been painted with a $12,000 paint job. It's got an Outlaw Shifter in there with a mild shift kit in there, 355 gears, so it's a cruiser. Front and rear sway bars, power steering, power brakes, yes, vintage air conditioning. It's got custom interior with the TMI Custom buckets with the SS gauge package, SS door panel. It's got American Racing torque thrust wheels on there, 18s in the front, you got 20s in the back. It's got headers, it's got 3-inch dual exhaust, suspension's been lowered, everything is fresh, and it's only been driven under 5,000 miles since it's been done. We're gonna get up and personal on this thing. I just got done driving it, and I do have to tell you, this is not for the faint at heart. This is a beast that cruises outstandingly on the highway. Great little bit lowered stance. Lines up great and straight. A couple flaws that I found, but this thing is a street beast. Well done build. Let me turn these lights off real quick, and we'll get up and personal on this. Even has tilt steering. Okay, lines up good. I see one little gap here. I'm trying to get close. It could be adjusted a little bit, maybe just a shim or two, but that's it. Other side's fine. All your badging, lights have been upgraded. Everything works the way it should. All your gauges are working. Chrome's in good shape. Badging and grill's in good shape. Turn signals are working. Wipers are working. Front quarter done right. One little touch up here, it looks like. That's all. It's not even bad. Just being picky, but it's there. Got 18 inches in the front. American Racing. Door lines up good with the fender and the quarter. No paint flaws. Mirror intact. All your chrome around, all your glass around the whole entire car is in good shape. All your chrome has been done. It's in good shape. Rear quarter in good shape, sitting on a 20 on the back. American Racing wheel. And that's a 30 in the back. It's a 2030, so it's a big tire car. No waves, nice body. Rear trunk lines up well. And your rear chrome is in real good shape. Real clean underneath as well. Like I said, all your chrome around the windows are good. No pitting on the rims. This rear quarter's in good shape. Sport mirror on this side as well that lines up the way it should. And front fender. No paint flaws. I'll get it on the rack and get some more photos. All your interior has been done. Seat belts intact. Rear deck. Everything up there is in good shape. Also has an upgraded sound system. Speakers in the door, speakers in the back. TMI interior. Fresh, fresh, fresh. Tilt wheel. SS door panels. Weather stripping good. Dash pad is in great shape. Aftermarket gauge package. All your gauges are working. Your tack, your radio, your ear, your heater, and wipers are working. Looks like electric fan switch. This is your Outlaw Shifter. All your carpets in great shape. Well-built car. And like I said, this thing moves. Let's check out the other door panel. Brakes good. Handles great. No funky noises over bumps. Just a complete built beast for cruising, especially with that 355 gear. Check out the trunk. Black painted on stripes are in great shape. All your weather stripping is there and done right. Trunk's great. Couple extra weather stripping parts and stuff. If you need them, they're there. Comes with the vehicle. Fire up this monster. Only thing that's not working is the horn. No disappointments. Real nice car. If you're looking to do some financing with us and you're anywhere from a 640 to a 739, go directly to our website, mgmclassiccars.com. Find the car. Minimum 10% down. We'll go as far as 84 months with good rates. If you're a 740 score and above, please go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Sometimes no money down. Up to 84 months. Approval within 24 hours. If you need quotes on shipping, enclosed and open, bonded and insured to your front door anywhere in the United States. And if you have any questions on this car, please call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. We have over 120 cars in stock ready for immediate delivery. You can go to my website where you'll see all the descriptions, photographs, video, and pricing at mgmclassiccars.com. We are in Addison, Illinois, and we are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. And you can get that appointment by reaching out to me or texting me at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like us on Facebook at mgmclassiccars.com, Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. And thank you for checking out this beast. Have a good day.